This is Ash with Cady Business Technologies. If you want to make and take a call through Collaboration 7, you can do so without needing a physical phone. Today we're going to go through making calls, taking calls, and handling those calls. Let's get started. There are a variety of ways to make a call through Collaboration 7, one of which is in the inbox, clicking on the dial pad on the top. Here you can choose what number shows up when you dial out if you have more than one number associated with your extension. You can choose to enter the number here, or you can choose to type a name. If they're in your contacts, they'll show up. Any numbers associated with them can be seen by clicking the arrow, and then you'll see the number. Let's try making a call. If we click, then it will go ahead and ring that phone. When they pick up, this is what the call looks like. Just like any other call, you can put it on mute, hold, transfer, or end the call. From here, you also have a keypad. So if I dialed in and reached an auto attendant that said, press 1 for sales, I may choose to press 1 by clicking on the keypad and choosing 1. You can have more than one call going at one time. On the search bar, you can also choose this to either search for a contact and dial one of their numbers, and the original call will be put on hold as you try to reach the other call. You may also choose to end the call early and go back to the other call by clicking on the call and taking them off of hold, either here or here. You can choose to hang up on the call by clicking End Call.